usually mga race engineers, parang may chance sila to make good team principles. Diba? Sila Vals, ito nga si Mekis, nagkakaroon ng extra focus din sa improvement ng car.
Correct. Because they have the know-how and then technical knowledge then about setup talaga ng mga cars on different racetracks. Makikita mo yung difference ng mga team principals like Alpine being run by Flavio Briatore. Sa tingin ko, old school na yung approach ni Flavio. So that's why kahit na subukan nilang i-improve yung car development is may konting discrepancy na versus dun sa mga team principals ngayon na former race engineers and then racing technical directors.
Yeah, talaga nakatutok sila sa upgrades, sa improvement talaga. Yung every technicality ng racing and the machines.
Correct.
They're on top of these things. Kaya siguro nga talaga yung sinabi mo. Kasi yung Williams and Red Bull, kitang-kita yung improvements talaga.
Yeah. Right after Horner left, biglang nagkaroon ng dramatic change in terms of our performance. I don't know what we did, kung ano yung binago ni Laurent Mekies in terms of yung management, you know, mga staff niya na mga mechanics. Maybe yung moral din, medyo tumaas.
Nabawasan siguro yung toxicity ng leadership ni Horner. Towards the end, medyo nagiging very magulo ba dahil sa mga controversies, mga away-away within the team.
Within the team, yeah.